Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So in previous video we have discussed about introduction to CSS. So in this video we'll be seeing how to link the CSS file. So for that I need an HTML document. So I have created an HTML document which consists of an heading, HTML tag, head tag and a body tag, right? Now I need to create another file called CSS file. So you can name any name you want. So I'll be giving it as in style.css. Okay, style.css, CSS. Okay, so you can see my image is looking pretty cool, right? In our extension. So when I give the extension of .css, the CSS logo is appeared here. So that's why it has been confirming that CSS file is present in our folder. Okay, this is a HTML file and this is a CSS file, right? So to link the CSS file with HTML, what we will be doing is we'll be using a link kind of a tag to link CSS with HTML. So where we will be linking is not in the body tag, but inside the body tag we'll be linking inside the head tag. So for that we'll be using a link tag, and for that if I click enter, so you might note there's a kind of an attribute called rel. This means by relationship. So why we need to use this link, for what this link is get used. So we using a style sheet. That means a style sheet is meant by a cascading style sheet, that means a CSS. So that's why we are using the relationship of this link tag is basically in style sheet. So where the style sheet is located is in style.css. Okay, so we have linked with our site. So for the reference, that means how I can know that my CSS file is linked or not, we can give any of the changes we need. So for the reference, I will be changing the background color of our website now. Don't need to worry at all. I will be training you for this entire section itself. So first, I'll be using a body tag. So if he doesn't know what is meant by body and this kind of thing, please go and check it out the HTML contents, and after learning that, come back here to learn CSS. Okay. So I'll be typing a body. I'll be changing a background color of a body. Don't worry at all. This is all the kind of uh, properties to align our data. So I will be changing it in the brown color. So now my website will be changed to brown color if it works. That means if my CSS is linked, so my browser will get changed to brown color if I get refreshed. Okay, let me click the refresh button now. So I might note the my browser has been, I mean, website has been changed to the brown color, right? So this is what I mean. This confirms that my CSS is linked to HTML. So this is how actually CSS will be linked on. So if I have the folder here called public, so every assets will be there in a public, right? Okay, we have the folder called public. Inside the public I have an style.css. What I can do is I can use p2blic public slash style.css. It will be slash will be using to separate the path. That means to break the path. So like it will be go inside. So inside the public only we have an style.css, right? So that's why we're having a slash to go inside the folder, right? So public slash css. Now if I refresh the browser and see, so you might note it remains constant because it's working. So this is how we'll be linking the CSS file folder. So this no need to worry at all. I will be removing it. We'll be seeing the some of the cool properties uh, to design our entire website. Okay, so I'll be seeing in the next video. Stay tuned for the next video.